Kumrau kako nam tanumi, hole hai tanumi, namiloi lokon di tanumi tu politani, inamiloi wen tu ahang tu pangapang, sa ketongai ni isohot hani nei ku kako semat, long nei hai hotel tamamite asosiren tu politani. Ketungai lalap isotan kumite semat, tungai lalap wanin. Nakep kumeka puki amite seilo di semat, amte nam tanomi. Hole o namiloi, lokon tu politani o tanomi, o namiloi wen, o kilami, ahang tetehu, pangapang tetehu, mangai tetehu, dia iso, tungai ni isotan kumite. Hai, tilei te solahang. Yang betul yang kakayam ahli kakayam tersemat, ambil tunahi kilan waliko kawatan tiang itu. Nak ina kakayam itu muke agam termaluhe, agam terhelung patapat hakila. Tu sepuke am tercuai o kapim itu wani. O linani am itu awisan, o hani am itu namil, apa sam tertunahi malim. Nah hani dia am itu am terkumpuapun. Ngain teteu kilan teka silon kura kau kaun laku soli wai mamite hina pukit teka silon pukit ikan suci amite ape teteu ngain ni hayo ante kami sapek tekam hana aminam patul tiam tehat soti ngain teu di akhir tenatum Jesus long name.
The National Pledge.
To the people of Papua New Guinea, place ourselves united in one nation. We pay homage to our cultural heritage, the source of our strength. We pledge to build a democratic society, based on justice, equality, respect and prosperity for our people. We pledge to stand together as one people, one nation, one country. God bless Papua New Guinea.
Thank you very much.
Welcome you today, singing this song. For our Father safely guiding you, and has brought you along with us to Semat Bible Dedication Day from God's holy word. And now we're glad to welcome you to Patecook Island. Welcome, ever welcome, across the sea you say. Welcome, ever welcome, in the Master's name, in the Master's
stay. And now we're glad to welcome you at Patecook Island.